Welcome to my presentation of my final prototype. I've made a lot of significant improvements to my UI. Before, I had a lot of conflicting colors and really no direction of which I wanted the user's eyes to go. So I massively improved the side the sidebar. This will extend and contract and will have easy to read tabs like the data AQI, stuff like that, like raw files basically that I'm using to map out all this data. So from going from the top over, I have minor metrics, which would be they could either be important to the admin or this could be something that's displayed to everyone. These could have simple rundowns of basic numbers like AQI increase, global AQI rise, global gain, stuff like that, and then they can have minor metrics, easy things to read, so almost like a summary of the rest of the page. Now below that and to the left, we have a line graph which shows gain percentages. I think I definitely needed to include more metrics. One of the main complaints was that it was too narrow. I needed to broaden how I visualize my data rather than just having one large heat map. And so I included a line graph. Next to that, we have a simple scroll list, which would show the top ranks of renewable gains. And then bottom left of that, we have the top cities, which would also be a similar list. And then next to that, we would have a bar graph, which would show some other type of data. For this, I chose state AQI in the United States, the top ones of that. And then next to that, we have the world AQI data, which is like a smaller sort of heat map. And then we have little widgets like settings, light mode, dark mode, notifications, profile tab, and we have a downloaded report section here. We have a search bar up there, of course, and I think this has turned out quite clean. This is definitely something I would use for a nice, clean enterprise data dashboard. Thank you for watching, and I hope you give me an excellent grade.